Okay, for the 1112 Explorer, you want to check, make sure you have the correct end. Look at the bend at the top of the terminal shank, make sure it is pointing distally. Also, you can lay the instrument as if you're going to work and make sure that the tip is curving mesially around the tooth. This is the correct end. This is not. Whenever you insert interproximal, the instrument leans up and over the tooth surface. And also, if you were coming up here to work, the instrument would lacerate the tissue. Okay, to start with, start at the distal line angle and work distally. Go back to the distal line angle and work mesially. And I'm using an extraoral fulcrum here. My whole hand is still moving as a unit. My fingers are all moving together instead of independently. When you get to the premolars, use an intraoral fulcrum starting at the distal line angle and rocking to move your instrument interproximal. Start back at the distal line angle, come mesially. And for this instrument, use the same end from the distal of the molars all the way to the mesial of the central in that quadrant. So when I get to the mesial of number 9, I will flip the instrument. A little difficult on the typodont, calculus under the gingiva. Okay, so now to do the left quadrant, I'm going to flip my instrument. Again, I will check just to make sure my terminal shank bend is going distally. And if I want to just bring it up here like I'm going to use it, the instrument is curving mesially around the tooth, as opposed to this, where the bend is going to go up and over the tooth surface here. And if you just bring it up to work, the tip would poke into the tissue. So we'll flip our ends. We will begin on the distal of the molar, again using an extraoral fulcrum. The hand is cupping the chin. And there you can see that. Okay, and then you come back out and go to the distal line angle and come to the mesial. Distal line angle, go to the distal, again start the distal line angle and come mesially. And for the premolars, you can use your intraoral fulcrum. And I'm not sitting at the correct position here, so I should be at 11 o'clock. But you continue to use the same end of the instrument all the way to the midline of the mouth. Remember on the anteriors to make sure you start in the midline of the tooth so that you cover the whole tooth surface, or cover the whole sulcus. Okay, that is maxillary buccal 1112 Explorer.